Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally got the full spoilers to the Ipsy June bags. So first I'm going to put out the standard bag. And then next I'll put out plus and then ultimate. So I'll make sure to link those below if I can remember. Just as soon as I get them all out. So guys, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified. And you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. You know, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the full add-on spoilers for June. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, good evening, Mandy. I picked 3 things: the Laura Geller setting spray, Mark Anthony leave-in conditioner, and a SelfTaught London watermelon lip gloss. Yum. Well, Jenny, honey, that sounds like some really good choices, and I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you get everything that you want in the bag. And I really appreciate you having your bell set and coming and watching my video. You're always so nice to me in the comments, Jenny. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So, of course you know, this is the Ipsy Standard June bag. And of course you know my thoughts on the bag.
Yep, I did not like these bags at all.
Y'all, they could do better on this. I don't know why they don't hire me down there at the damn Ipsy. I mean, I'd be having some bomb ass bags put out. Trust me, giving everybody anything that they wanted. So, well, might not be a good idea for me to work there. And if y'all have been with me a while, y'all already know this. But I don't name off every item because there's always too many of them to name. So I just flop them up here so y'all can look at them. Mostly everybody already knows what they're getting. So if you would let us know down below in the comments what you get in your bag this month. Because you know I'm nosy. My subscribers are nosy. And we just like to see what everybody gets. Did you get any of those add-ons? Let us know that too. Hell, I like to know everything, you know.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
But anyways, guys, that was the full spoilers for the standard bag. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check him out. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Morgan Miller. Morgan says, I picked the SelfTaught London lip oil for my add-on this month. Girl, that looked like a really nice lip oil. So when you get it, let me know what you think about it. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, Morgan. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have none? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check that out. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.